Summarizify, the augmented text summarizer. Welcome to the future of AI-driven software technology. Nowadays we have lots of information thrown at us in too little time. Everybody knows how time-consuming it is to summarize, paraphrase, and create content, right? Summarizify offers GPT-3 AI, blockchain and free writing with NLP. All in one place. Summarizify, the all-in-one summarizer, descriptive analytics, keyword extraction and more free solution. Summarizify helps to lower cost, increase efficiency, optimize decision-making for businesses and give students immediate feedback. Our freemium model allows anyone to use our product, but students and business can access advanced features for $8.99 and $150 a month. Our NLP modules can be modified to the user's needs and they read more than 37 languages, allowing everyone to benefit from Summarizify. Summarizify is targeted towards college students ages 18 to 24 and professionals ages 24 to 40 in the DMV that need information delivered to them quickly. We will break even in 7 months and hit the 12% market share in 60 months. We will also create partnerships with influencers and payment partnerships. Our assets and resources will be our roadmap and our unique value proposition. However, for our SaaS, media influencer partnerships and finance are under consideration as our roadmap is being completed. Summarizify is a woman-led company that counts with several individuals that bring something unique to the table, be it from the technical or management front. To our mentors Shubha and Gary, thank you for your help. Are you ready for Summarizify?